Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss two methods to add Google Maps in your Elementor WordPress website. So guys, here you can see this is my demo website. Now I want to log in. Just you can use \wp-admin. After that, here you can see in the pages I have created a test page. Here you can see. Now I can edit this page, and then after that I can enable Elementor page builder. So guys, basically Elementor is the powerful page builder that can design your WordPress website to the professional levels. And here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. So it will take a couple of settings. After that you can design your website. So now I want to add a new section, and then here I can select the flex box, then 2 columns. So now just I can click here plus icon and search for Google Map. So guys, here you can see Google Map element. Just I can drag here, and after that just you can add a location here. For example, I want to add a location, and here you can see it is working fine. Just you can publish and Google Map is added. So guys, if you want to see other method, just I can go on the Google, search for Google Maps. So here you can see this one, and here I can type city name. So guys, you can search with the place, and after that click here share button. Then here you can see you can copy this link, as well as if you want to add in website, just you can click here embed a map. Then here you can get HTML code, just you can copy, and after that you can go back into your website, click here plus, then after that you can search for code. So guys, here you can see shortcode module. You can add any type of codes. So just I have pasted my code, then click publish. And guys, here you can see width and height option, just you can adjust. For example, I can change it to 350. And after that click here publish. So guys, these are two easy methods to add Google Maps in your Elementor WordPress website.